Colors and numbers are powerful tools that can instantly boost positivity and influence our mood and behavior. While often overlooked, the strategic use of these elements can lead to a significant improvement in our day-to-day well-being. This video explores the foundational concepts of how colors and numbers can be utilized to foster positivity, enhance emotional health, and provide a sense of harmony in our environment. Let's dive into the world of color psychology and practical applications that can be easily integrated into our lives for a more vibrant and fulfilling existence. Color psychology is the science of how colors affect human behavior and emotions. Each color has the ability to evoke different responses. For example, blue often induces a sense of calm and relaxation, making it ideal for bedrooms or spaces meant for unwinding. On the other hand, yellow is associated with happiness and vitality, which can be perfect for kitchens or any area where energy is desired. The impact of color is both psychological and physiological. Colors not only influence how we feel, but can also change our physical state. For instance, red can raise the body's pulse rate, giving the sensation of increased adrenaline, which is why it might be used in areas that require physical activity. Understanding these effects allows us to use color strategically to create an environment that supports our emotional and physical needs. To integrate color psychology into your life, start by assessing the mood you want for each room in your home or workplace. If a space feels overly stressful, consider incorporating elements of green or blue, which can help reduce stress levels. For areas where concentration is key, such as a study room or office, shades of violet or light blue can enhance focus and calm. Simple changes like these do not require major renovations. Even small additions like colored throws, pillows, paintings, or lampshades can significantly alter the atmosphere of a room. Integrating color into your daily life can be as straightforward as adjusting your wardrobe or changing your screensaver. Wearing clothes in colors that reflect how you want to feel can subtly enhance your mood throughout the day. For instance, incorporating orange into your outfit can provide a sense of enthusiasm and creativity, while wearing black might help you feel more powerful and decisive. Beyond personal wear, consider the impact of color in your digital workspace. The background color of your desktop or the theme of your mobile phone can affect your mood. Opting for a serene wallpaper with shades of blue or green can provide a calming effect during a hectic day. In your living space, try aligning color usage with the activities typically performed in each area. For example, vibrant colors like reds and oranges in your exercise area can boost energy levels, while pastels in your bedroom could help in winding down before sleep. Similarly, adding plants with green tones around your home can promote tranquility and a connection to nature, which is soothing for many people. Lighting plays a crucial role in how we perceive colors. Natural light brings out the truest form of color, so aim to allow as much natural light into your spaces as possible. But when using artificial lighting, consider the color temperature of light bulbs. Warm lights tend to enhance reds and yellows, creating a cozy atmosphere, whereas cool lights work well with blues and greens to promote a sense of alertness and freshness. Numbers carry a unique significance across various cultures and personal belief systems. They are often seen as symbols of order and stability in an otherwise chaotic world. For instance, certain numbers are deemed lucky in various cultures, such as the number 7 in many Western societies or 8 in Chinese culture. Beyond superstition, numbers have a profound psychological impact, providing a framework that people can use to organize their lives and measure growth and success. The influence of numbers extends into everyday activities. They help in structuring our time through calendars and clocks, assist in managing finances, and even play a role in personal identification, such as social security or phone numbers. This ubiquitous presence makes it crucial to understand how to use numbers to foster a positive mindset. By aligning our activities with numerically significant moments or patterns, we can cultivate a sense of order and purpose. Using numbers strategically can be an effective way to foster personal growth. Setting goals is a common use of numbers that most people are familiar with. By quantifying what you want to achieve, whether it's saving a certain amount of money, losing weight, or spending a set number of hours on a hobby, numbers provide a clear target and make progress measurable. This clarity and measurability are key to maintaining motivation and achieving long-term objectives. To incorporate numbers into your personal development, start by setting small, manageable goals that are easily quantifiable. For example, if you aim to read more books, set a goal of reading 1 book per month. This specific number not only sets a clear target, but also helps in tracking progress over time. As you meet or exceed your goals, the satisfaction of seeing these numbers change can be a significant boost to your morale. Another way to use numbers for personal growth is through routine structuring. You might choose to dedicate a specific number of minutes each day to meditation or a certain hour for exercise. By consistently adhering to these numbers, you establish a routine that can lead to lasting habits. This consistency is key in turning isolated actions into a part of your daily life, ultimately leading to sustained positivity and wellness. Next, we will explore how combining both colors and numbers can be used to create routines that not only inspire, but also stabilize, providing a dual approach to achieving a more positive and balanced lifestyle. We'll see how these elements can be intertwined to enhance personal well-being in unique and effective ways. Creating a personal code using both colors and numbers offers a unique method to structure and enrich our daily routines. This can be as simple as using different colored note cards to represent various tasks, with each color corresponding to a specific type of activity, and numbering them to indicate priority or sequence. For example, red cards can be used for high-priority tasks, blue for work tasks, and yellow for personal development activities, each numbered to suggest the order in which they should be tackled. This method not only visually cues what needs to be done, but also organizes tasks in a way that systematically enhances productivity and state of mind. You can apply this coding system to time management, such as using a calendar with color-coded numbers to represent different types of appointments or deadlines. The visual distinction between colors helps in quickly assessing the day or week ahead, making it easier to prepare mentally and physically for upcoming tasks. Using numbers to define specific time blocks for these tasks helps ensure that each activity is given due attention, fostering a balanced approach to daily responsibilities. Incorporating colors and numbers into meditation practices can enhance focus and deepen the meditation experience. Begin by visualizing a color that induces a sense of peace or energy, depending on your needs at the moment. Imagine this color filling the space around you, enveloping you in its qualities. You can assign a number to this color, such as 3, for a triad of attributes you want to bring into your life, like peace, clarity, and resilience. During meditation, focus on this number, repeating it in your mind, and visualize the color amplifying with each count. This technique not only helps in maintaining focus during meditation, but also strengthens the association between numerical order and emotional balance. Over time, simply recalling this color and number can prompt a return to the calm or energized state experienced during meditation, making it a practical tool for instant positivity and stress relief. Colors in foods often indicate nutrient content and are key to maintaining a diverse and healthy diet. For example, dark green vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, oranges and yellows often contain vitamins C and A, and reds can be a source of antioxidants. By aiming to include a rainbow of colors on your plate, you ensure a comprehensive range of nutrients. This method of using color not only simplifies the process of nutritional balance, but also makes meals more enjoyable and satisfying visually. To implement this, consider preparing meals with a variety of colors. Adding spinach, carrots, and tomatoes to a salad not only brightens the dish, but also enhances its nutritional profile. Similarly, incorporating purple foods like eggplant or blueberries can boost your intake of anthocyanins, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. This colorful approach to eating encourages not just healthier eating habits, but also a deeper connection to the food we consume, making each meal a vibrant, health-promoting experience. Numerology, or the study of numbers and their inherent vibrational properties, can also play a subtle yet significant role in our daily lives. While the complex aspects of numerology may not be for everyone, simple practices can be incorporated to harness the power of numbers for personal organization and well-being. For instance, choosing specific numbers for significant personal dates like anniversaries or setting goals can lend a sense of significance and motivation. A practical application could involve using numbers to manage time more effectively. Allocating specific time blocks, perhaps in increments that hold personal significance, like 12 minutes for meditation or reflection based on a favorite or meaningful number, can help structure the day with a personalized touch. This use of numbers helps to create a personalized rhythm in daily activities, enhancing both productivity and personal satisfaction. Colors can play a significant role in relationships by influencing perceptions and interactions. For instance, wearing calming colors like blue or green during a discussion can help maintain a peaceful atmosphere. Similarly, incorporating red elements in a setting where passion and energy are desired can invigorate the interaction and promote liveliness. The conscious choice of colors in our attire or environment when meeting others can subtly influence the mood and dynamic of the interaction. Understanding someone's preference for certain colors can provide insights into their personality and emotional states, aiding in empathy and deeper emotional connections. For example, someone who favors bright yellows or oranges may have a vibrant and energetic personality, whereas a preference for shades of blue might suggest a more calm and reflective nature. On the other hand, numbers can also enhance relationships through the thoughtful recognition of important dates, anniversaries, or even favorite numbers. Acknowledging these numbers and gifts or celebrations can make moments more special and personalized. For instance, celebrating a partner's personal milestones on dates that hold significance for them numerologically can add an extra layer of thoughtfulness to the gesture. In daily interactions, understanding the numerology associated with one's life path number or personal year number can offer insights into their current life phase or challenges, fostering a supportive environment. This understanding can help in timing your interactions or support to align with numerological influences they may be experiencing. Colors and numbers are not just for personal or relational use, they also have substantial benefits in wellness routines. For instance, using specific colors in workout environments can enhance the effectiveness of the exercise. A room painted in vibrant red or orange can energize and boost physical performance, while a cool blue or green space may be perfect for yoga or meditation, promoting calmness and focus. Incorporating numbers into wellness can be just as impactful. Structuring workouts or meditation sessions around numerically significant intervals can create a personalized routine that resonates more deeply. For example, performing a set number of repetitions that aligns with one's life path number or meditating for a duration that is a multiple of a favorite number can bring a sense of alignment and personalization to regular wellness activities. Educational settings can benefit greatly from the intentional use of colors. Research suggests that certain colors enhance learning and retention. For instance, blue is known to foster creative thinking and calmness, making it ideal for art and creative writing spaces. Green, being easy on the eyes, can reduce fatigue and help maintain focus, which is particularly beneficial in classrooms where students need to concentrate for long periods. In addition to color, numbers can be strategically used to plan and execute educational activities. Assigning group numbers for projects can help in organizing and tracking progress, while using numerical systems to schedule classes or exams on specific dates can aid in creating an educational calendar that is both systematic and memorable for students. In professional settings, the strategic use of colors can enhance productivity and employee satisfaction. For example, incorporating orange in areas where creativity is required can stimulate energetic discussions and innovative thinking. Conversely, utilizing cooler colors like blue in analytical departments can help maintain focus and efficiency. Applying numerology in professional contexts, such as setting numerical targets for sales or production, helps in quantifying goals and making abstract objectives tangible. This not only clarifies expectations, but also provides a clear measure of success for teams, enhancing motivation and drive. Health and wellness programs can be significantly enhanced through the strategic use of colors. For instance, introducing calming colors such as blues and greens into a health clinic's decor can help reduce patient anxiety and stress. Similarly, fitness centers can utilize vibrant colors like reds and yellows to boost energy and increase motivation during workouts. On the numerical side, health programs that incorporate tracking systems with clear numerical goals can greatly enhance participant commitment and satisfaction. By setting specific numerical targets for steps taken, calories burned, or minutes exercised, participants can see quantifiable progress towards their health goals. This not only motivates continued effort, but also provides a clear framework for achieving specific health outcomes. When it comes to public policy, colors and numbers can be used strategically to communicate information clearly and effectively. For example, using consistent color codes in public transportation maps and signage can help commuters easily navigate complex transit systems. Different line colors can represent specific routes, while numbers can be used to indicate stops, making the system much more user-friendly. By understanding and implementing these elements thoughtfully, we can create environments and systems that not only support, but also elevate our collective experience. If you found value in this exploration of how colors and numbers can influence and improve our lives, please consider liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring more enriching and practical advice to your screen. Thank you for watching.